Yeah, Murise.
Bo Murise.
Aiwa, sese bo. Yeah, I'm sure to the project ya Muguita.
Yes. Hello to the international community. My name is Comrade Tatenda BM Remba, aka RAS Protocol. I run a trust called Remba International Development. I have been given a place in Mashonaland, East Marondera, by the government to resurrect a youth center. I am therefore asking for assistance to establish a vocational training center whereby, for now, we are going to train beneficiaries how to grow castor beans for export. Castor beans is a very export market cash crop, and it also has medicinal uses. All the other information is available with Comrade Clinton, the IT director. Now, who is about to speak? In my trust, I am the Secretary and Treasurer. The next speaker is the Director of Public Relations, Comrade Mlambo.
Thank you very much. We, as in Africa, we running this institution to help vulnerable people in Africa. Because in Africa, as you know, we've been backward just years. So the whole thing is about this project is about we've got vulnerable people who lives here in Zimbabwe who needs help. Whoever has any help within the national community, even $1 at 20 cents, it will help to put somebody a shelter to sleep in the shelter. Because most of the people here, they sleep in the streets, no food, no education, no the next food to get it tomorrow. We don't even know. So whatever you pretend to do, we are just like beggars on behalf of the children of Zimbabwe who are living on the streets. Initially, if you're successful, we would want to build them dormitories, just take them from the streets. So there'll be better people for the better nation, for the better world. I thank you.
Vari kungotsvanya dzima projects evacomrades aya saka I hope maprojects enyu achabudirira maexplainira vanhu zvamuri kuda nekuti zvichabenefita chi vanhu vakaita sei in the future kana zvichinge zvabudirira. I think zvichanzwikwa zvamataura, and then kana pazotiwo 1 or 2 vanongokubatai. Ani mune mafone number
Hongo.
Munoona ngotaura zvenyu
+263 715 006 777. WhatsApp and calling number.
Mr.
Remba.
Mr.
Remba.
Okay.
+263 715 006 777.
Amacha.
Okay, Powerman Mlambo, +263 071 9940 763.
Okay, I think
WhatsApp and calling number.
all right. Thank you so